Okay, guys, so this is our program. All right, this is November 27th, 2025, 12:52 a.m. West African time. So, guys, this is the challenge looking at GBUSD. So, you all know, I think about 8 days ago, there and about Trump called off the US shutdown. Longest shutdown in history, I think it lasted about 41 days, there and about. So, this is the price action we get. Notice these are all 4-hour candles. This is not the 15-minute time frame. This is what the 15-minute time frame gives us. Is there any, since my entry model right here, higher low, liquidity, higher high, 6 hour displays, X, this one's for liquidity, this was yes, one of liquidity, enter this other block, but yes, you can see it did not work out, it never mitigate the extreme zone. Anyway, there's more to it though, but I think that's just like basic. You have to do much research and multi time frame analysis also with it. Don't really want to dive into that. I just want to like give our recap on the trading. So I actually blew my accounts. I think the first day of November because that is when you mark the 30-day breach. So you can see I'm surprised I can even okay, this is not the account itself. You can see I was even up. I hit 17 trading days, up 0.7%, and you can see here showing breached. So I followed all the rules. It's showing a 100% consistency. Can we see my trading history? I was even on a losing streak, four losing trades in a row. Last time was 30th of September. Then the shutdown I came and shit. I never broke the rules, bros, but I wasn't really online, so things really happened like that. So imagine just because I stayed disciplined, follow my strategy, and didn't see any setup. So I tried to now stay from the charts, but the prof said, no, this is not how it works. I mean, I'll try to take away your funding. To be honest, I was bummed, but it's how trading works. So rather, if you have to give up at every small downfall in trading, you won't really make it out. So as you can see here, this the camera is showing it. I'm trying to log into my Quantekel so I can show you guys. Authorization field. Let me try. Okay, let me try again. Authorization field. So we lost the prop. I haven't got an email about this on my phone telling me that I actually lost the prop. Come just give me like 5 minutes. Okay, let's just focus on the video. So you can see I'm still trading. Did it got to me? Let me give you guys a trade breakdown. Open the daily time frame. Open the daily time frame. You can see price making a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You can see this big place which price eventually actually like you can actually see that price go to the weekly. Bear with me, bear with me. Go to the weekly. High, high, low, high, high. Where's here? Lower low. Okay, what now happened? You can see this bit of arguable liquidity sweep. Can arguably even enter the trade so because we got equals. I followed my strategy. What I would like to enter would be because there are many like occasions where liquidity has even showed signs. So you can arguably say that this is an equal lose. Yeah, it's actually equal lose. Then price comes here to this other block. Target this high here. Simple as it gets. Put your stop loss below. Target the high. There's just one ratio for because I risking 237 pips on this position. Crazy shit. So we're looking for price to break structure and continue selling, right? Because weekly break structure, go down to the daily. What do we see? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So now is that since we got lower low here, we're now waiting for a lower high to form, which arguably should not be higher than this point because the previous lower low, let me draw it out for you in one part structure. Yeah, 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 yeah. So arguably we're expecting it to come exactly. Should not be higher than here and it should be lower than here. That's when I'm looking for a break of your but actually a lot, to be honest. Five, about 400 pips of swing structure here. But in the internal structure of the daily is actually bullish. So we now need to trade. We still got a big picture. We're expecting a pullback. We don't know how deep the pullback will be, or it will just be a minor pullback. You get that kind of thing now. Just be a minor pullback, then we target it long. So I want to trade the pullback, and to be honest, counter trend trade. Originally, I wanted to sell the setup. And funny enough, let me show you guys proof for what I'm saying. Show you guys proof for what I'm saying. Bear with me. Bear with me. Mm, okay. So you can see I called the setup earlier equals when it happened earlier, but eventually price formed different things in the structure. You can see because this is where I called the setup when it was here up here, but price moved differently. So and that's why the internal structure, the way it was moving, marked some things out so that I could actually play the pullback counter trend trade. Yes, it's risky, but put your stop loss below the lows. Low is here, add additional to the stop loss, target a high or around issue 3. And after about 2 weeks, finally the price isn't really moving properly today, rather at this period because we're about to be December. So I still living life like that, I guess. Coming back next year. I'm planning on buying living prop or funding pips actually. It's a bit more costly than this Quantekel. I think I got Quantekel for about $27 here and about with charges and everything. $27. But the Maven pips, Maven prop and the funding pips it takes about $60 for fair keep of them. So I want to raise money using my former advertising agency, now a videography agency. You can see I built this shit first ever side hustle, to be honest. SMA 2024 January 25th. That was my first ever post. Okay, January 4th. That's when I created the business. Been in the game for so long. So long. Crazy that has been here. It's never up to a year ago. So you guys compare with me. This is how it's going. I tried it some more recent shoots apart from this. Plan on making this to get like to the next level. I'm planning on making all these things get on ground. So yes, she's going alright. So currently I see the shoots for like my mom and she see like 3 shoots. I think that was my grandpa's birthday I did 4. So right now to do 3 shoots. I think I'm going to target churches next. I think if I target churches we get enough outreach. No such thing as bad publicity as they say, so I'm going to target churches, get some good outreach and I guess see how what happens then. I still got another side gig to go 2026. Although it's still free though, but it's another opportunity. So we just need to like get enough money to do the profit. Because that's really crazy thing about trading because one thing that I just lost $26 now. $20, and I started June 16th there and about. June 16th I started. $20 won't really have gone fast, to be honest. And when I started this program, I was actually on a losing streak, so I don't really regret giving $26 rent. Because imagine I actually made it out. Imagine if for a second I actually made, like, I actually passed my program without just be situational. That's why, yeah, I'll just be like super critical. After I buy the 5K phone, I'm gonna stack up and buy a 50K phone. After I buy 50K phone, buy 200K phone, 200K phone, 10% 200K phone. After maybe a month or 2 months of grinding, $20,000, 17 years, $20,000 possibility. So that's why I'm just gonna like keep on trading for now, guys. Because if I try, so what do I actually have to do? It. What do I actually have to like go for? Not really much now. I'll be doing like school. It's the most valuable skill in the world. I've only been in it for a year. This is even okay. It's up to a year. It's up to a year. So I started trading August 2024. So I traded August 2024. So my plan right now rather is to like use my videography agency to like get capital to run this trading. When I buy another profile, I buy 5K first. After 5K, I buy 50K. After 50K, I buy 200K. That's how I'm doing it. It's gonna be either difficult and expensive, but I'll just grind anyways. Because once I make it out, it'll be just too crazy. And even if let's just imagine that I end up playing the 50K funded, I was eventually going to spend that money. I was eventually going to use that money to have fun, so like screw all that shit now. Still been hitting the gym, grinding. This is the winter. I recently upped my volume. Hopefully, you guys will have seen the YouTube video. They also upload soon. So basically, that's it then. If you want to message me, you can message me. On IG, I'll try to reply on my IGs. The handle is Max Q. Search it up, you see me there. So I'm just going to keep on grinding. And another thing to add is that same shit on USD. Or this one I tried to explain because I tried like it's off 0.90 pips. 10 GB USD was how much? That's so much 40 pips. Anyways, I'm just show you guys what I'm actually trading right now. I'm trading Euro USD, USD, GBP, JPY, NAS 100, and GBP USD. But to be honest, right now I haven't really been trading next to USD. Here's a long position I have. I wanted to actually enter. I wanted to enter after this move. Right here. This is I wanted to make the entry. That gave me a painful move because this shit is going to my take profits. Target is 1:10, but it peaked at 1:7. Crazy shit. This is why I just like need to like get videography agency off the ground so I can just like take care of this move because I'm eventually going to end up losing the money. So what's really the point? That funny time when my bags was still I haven't really opened GPY chat sometime now. Supposed to trading in shutdown, but I can't really stay up Asian sessions with day trading it. Yeah, last 100 and that bullshit there. Cause like that shit always explodes on me, bro. I don't even do that shit. Cause if I want to enter this position now, can I really like I can't really just remove this. parts, team markets, affects. But again, we can actually people will actually look at this trade setup. Minus the forms the Rixis, opens here, simple as that. But you have to do more time frame analysis on that trades. But this is basically like how I trade. Anyways, it's not GPUSD. Now I was on a crazy run too. That's why I started to understand all this shit now. Look at the past trades. I'm coming guys, I'll show you guys when I was still trading. Okay, this is when I lost my profile. This is the message you sent me. Alright, we reviewed the accounts. Fortunately, the trigger have reached that trading results of the accounts that have been forfeited. Now give me their concerning bullshit. But guys, crazy. Let's see this setup. This is when I was coming back trading after I've not traded in a while since the shutdown. I also post my profit analysis. So like I had anything. Here's when I was day trading, guys. Guys, settle. Just set on for years. Okay, so guys, I've told you my plan. My plan is to either any money that gets into my hand, I use it to buy another profit for next year. I plan trading profit next year, 5K funded early next year, like the first quarter. Don't wait till the fourth quarter like now. Then after I buy the 5K funded, I buy 20K funded. After I buy 20K funded, it's 200K. Now after I buy 5K funded, I buy 50K funded. After I 50K funded, then I buy 200K funded. Plan is the same as usual. So with that, I can really can call it close of the YouTube video. So you guys just stay grounded, man. Eventually, I believe that all this is because all this energy, I've actually got far better in my trading. My strike rate is improving, clarity is also improving. So I just have to continue grinding that shit away. Because if the rocket is going up, doesn't just stop me there. Yeah, it goes up, it goes down, crash it, but it keeps on going up. Those of you watching this video, I'm your mentor, by the way. Anyways, that's it for today. See you guys there.